Welcome to today's video. This is another WIDA ACCESS reading lesson, and today we're going to be practicing reading texts that are related to mathematics. So you can pause the video here and read the introduction on your own, and then restart the video when you're ready to continue. Okay, the reading practice in this lesson focuses on the language of mathematics. The language of mathematics is the language we use to express mathematical concepts and ideas. This might include discussing numbers, mathematical operations, shapes, lines, angles, etc. Again, you can pause the video and read these reading comprehension texts and then restart when you're ready to continue. Okay, this math class is learning about data. You will read and answer questions about the mean, median, and mode. So before you read the text, maybe think about these questions. What is data? And what is the mean of a set of numbers? Now take a moment to look at the question and the answer choices. The tip here is that the text will give you more information. Don't try to find the answer yet. All right, now read the text and answer the question. The tip here is that the image probably won't give you the answer, but it can help you. And then once you've chosen your answer, you can restart the video to continue. Okay, so what is the mean of these numbers, 2, 4, and 6? The answer is 4. And the explanation is to find the mean, you add all the numbers, then divide by 3. And that is the method for finding the mean is given here in the text. The teacher continues to discuss mean, median, and mode, and you'll read and answer the questions. Again, some things to think about, though, before reading. What is the median in a group of numbers, and what is the mode? Again, take a moment to pause the video, read the question and the answer choices. Again, remember that the text will give you more information. Don't try to find the answer yet. All right, now pause the video, read the text, look at the example, and then choose your answer to the question. All right. According to the passage, what is the first step in finding the mean of a set of numbers? And the correct answer is C, add up the numbers in the set. So the passage describes the first step to find the mean in the very first sentence. Next, the teacher discusses outliers. You will read and answer the questions about the text. So first, think about what is an outlier and what is the outlier in the data set on the board. All right, now take a moment to look at the question and the answer choices. And then when you're ready, restart the video to continue. Now pause the video, read the text, and answer the question. Okay, the question, according to the text, why might the median be a better choice than the mean in some data sets? And the answer is B. The mean changes more when there are extreme values. And so the text explains how the mean is more affected by outliers or extreme values, while the median is less affected by outliers. Okay, this teacher is explaining about frequency displays. The teacher is using examples related to Serena Williams. So can you describe any of the frequency displays on the blackboard? And what do you know about Serena Williams? So take a moment to look at the question and the answer choices. Just a reminder that underlining the keywords in the question will make it easier to find the answer. Now pause the video, read the text, and answer the question, and then you can restart the video when you're ready to continue. So the question was, in which of these years did Serena Williams win the most Grand Slam titles? And the correct answer was B, in 2002. And we can see this from the table on the right. So the teacher continues explaining about frequency displays. Can you explain what tally tables are? How are tally tables different to tables? And what information Serena Williams examples might a tally so what Serena Williams information examples might a tally table show? So take a moment again to look at the answer, the question and the answer choices, and again remember to underline the key words in the question as you read. Now pause the video, read the text, and then use the tally table to help you in answering the question. All right, the question is based on the tally table. How many years did Serena Williams win 2 or more Grand Slam titles? The correct answer is 8 years. Letter C, 8 years. So in this case, winning 2 or more Grand Slam titles means winning 2 or 3. She won 2 titles in 6 years and 3 titles in 2 years, so the total was 8 years. And this teacher explains a final type of frequency displays, line plots. So think about if you know what line plots are, how are line plots different to tables and tally tables, and what information Serena Williams examples might a plot line show. So again, take a moment to read the question and the answer choices. And remember that this answer will be based on the plot line, so make sure you read it carefully. All right, now read the text and look at the plot line, and then choose your answer to the question. Okay, the question is based on the plot line in which statement about Serena Williams' Grand Slam titles is true. The answer is D. Most seasons have 2 or fewer titles. And so we can look at the tally table. There are 17 seasons that had 2 or fewer titles, whereas 3 seasons have more than 2. So 17 is greater than 2, so therefore answer D is true. All right, and so you can do some reflection on your experiences in this lesson. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.